Hello, this is Laurie Girl on the Ridge. Thank you so much for yesterday's comments with the coffee filter envelopes. They were overwhelming. Thank you. So today I brought you some more. So I was playing around. Oh, first of all, I found the tickets I wanted to show you. Sometimes when you have these plain tickets, we don't know what we're going to do with them. So I just inked them up like that. And this, I happen to choose Tsunami Rose. These are, I think, vintage advertising. This is the printout, and then I shrunk them down. And now this is something to do. You got to cut them even, these are a little too big. So I like to get them in between so the number shows. This is something to do when maybe you don't feel good and you don't feel like doing a journal or anything, but you want to just make something. You can sit in the chair and do this. You can use glue. And you just pop that in, and then you could do your distressing or whatever. So that's all I wanted to show you yesterday with these tickets. They look really cute in a project. And you can make belly bands and other things. So that's what I wanted to show you with the tickets. And now the other one was, I made a long pocket with the coffee filters. So what I did, make sure I stay in frame here, is very simple. I take the coffee filter, folded it the same way, but folded it a little closer so it's long and narrow, and then folded it up. And then you zip it. You can either glue it or sew it. So this is the finished pocket. And actually I baked them, and then I just made some tags to go in them. And then you have a little spot there, and I'll show you some finished ones. I did this one. I did some pearl iridescent, the gilding polish that I use. And there's a tag in there, so there's a little tag in the front. And then I just made a tag in the back. And this I will just attach to a journal page. Made that one, and then this one, not Christmassy. Now, the way you fold them are the way, like this is a little fatter. So it doesn't, matters what you like. This I just put some trim on the top. And then these are where I use the little tickets. I put an envelope, and then there's a little tag. And everything's stuck together because I didn't wait. Oh dear. So, and then you could fill them up for whatever season. And I do love those little tickets. So that's that one that I did. And then this one, again, I did, this one's, I put two tags in there. Because I wanted this to stick out. It's a little silk trim. And then you have that. And this is a little card. And then you have the two little tickets sticking out. It just adds a little decoration. And then this one is another, maybe I got too close. This one is another Christmas one with the poinsettia. And then that comes out. And then that one. And then my favorite one is this one. It's got a hint of blue. It's got the pearlized little tag with the card and the poinsettia. And pearlized, I don't know if you could see it, tag, but I attached it to an envelope. Pearlized it, and then I'll put something in there. This is for a specific journal that I'm working on. So that's what I have today, and that's it. I'll probably be back with more because I'm in the playing mood, so I will see you soon. Bye.